Works pretty well for putting a piece of plywood up with a track saw station, but it doesn't really go low enough, as low as I'd like, but it does make it easy for getting plywood out from the corner over there. And you can lock down the wheels and just put it on there and then just lift it up, put it on. Pretty simple. Works great as an in-feed table as well. So especially long stock like this, with big pieces of plywood. Not only does it roll, but you can also lock the wheels down so that if you don't want it to roll, you can just go across the thing. It really helps. One use that I found for it later, didn't think of initially, is it's great for using as a clamping table for doing stuff. So, because it's got such a big surface area underneath it, it's open. It's easy to just clamp stuff down that you want to do, or you want to work on little things or anything like that. Pretty slick. Works great as a place to eat. Watch the game also. Not surprisingly, works pretty good as a standing desk as well as a sitting desk. So, just a few things about the table. It's a table I got off Amazon. Plug-in, standing, sitting computer table. I paid about $120 for it. I looked earlier today and it's up to about $150 now. But I looked at just buying bases and putting your own top on it, and they're not any cheaper. They're about the same. So worth it to just buy it, go ahead and buy the top. What I did is I just got a piece of OSB, put on top of it, flush routed around the edges, and then just sanded it down so it's really smooth. Works great for all kinds of things. I like the 3D printed a little drawer for the front of it over here, stuck that on there. But it's got nice clamping area around the sides. You can do all kinds of little projects and stuff on it. Works really easily. I think sometimes it would be nice to have a manual crank on it, just because you don't have to plug it in whenever you need to use it somewhere. Although I've got two big reels for moving the power all around the shop, so it's not that big of a deal for me. I did upgrade the wheels on it because the ones that come on it are really, really cheap. And so for 20 bucks, I got these other ones that fit the same style and just put those in. And I put 5 or 6 sheets of plywood on top of here and put it over on top of the track saw station before. So anyway, it's a great buy. Lots of uses in the shop. And I'll have a link down below for where I got it from Amazon. But I have to give credit to Bittner Builds. He's the one that introduced it on his channel, and I'll have a link to his channel and his video down there because he gave me the idea. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Thanks.